Honor to stand before you as the Mayor of the Municipality of New Lucena and a proud end user of the e-government modules, particularly the Business Permits and Licensing System or the IBPLS. Today, I share our municipality's transformative experience with digital governance and its impact on the delivery of services. The journey to implementing full automation in our LGU with the help of the ICT is as follows. First, we met with the punong barangays to orient and explain to them the need for the integration of the barangay clearance into IBPLS. Having explained the benefits of this system, the barangay captains were very supportive to this initiative. Next, we convened with the Bureau of Fire Protection Marshal on the implementation of the IBPLS, working on an agreement pertaining to the fire clearance fees. After that, we purchased the equipment needed for the implementation of IBPLS, hired additional manpower with the help of the ICT for training. And lastly, we conducted a successful dry run of the whole process and started its implementation last March 4, 2024. Before automation, applying for new and renewal of business permit in our municipality will take at least 4 steps. First, the clients will proceed to the BPLO for application, verification, and assessment. Second, the clients will then proceed to the Bureau of Fire Protection to process their fire safety inspection certificate and other clearances. Next, they then proceed to the cashier for payment. And lastly, the clients would return to the BPLO for releasing of permit. With full automation, however, application of new and renewal of business permits up to the releasing stage will only take a few clicks online, particularly with a single-step process, which is as follows. To open the eGov app, open the New Lucena IBPLS portal, process the payment, and print the business permit online, at home, anywhere, anytime, even abroad. The result of the IBPLS implementation has been a game changer in our municipality. Before its implementation, business registration was time-consuming, requiring long queues and extensive paperwork. Before, applying for new business permits on average will take at least 1 day and 15 minutes, while renewals would take at least 1 day and 2 hours on the average. Now, business owners can apply for new business permits and renewals in less than 30 minutes. The best part is, they can do it at the comfort of their own homes. Payment can be processed through Landbank's online portal, or with GCash, eliminating the need for physical visits to government offices. This digital shift has not only reduced waiting time but also improved overall efficiency, allowing businesses to focus on growth rather than administrative hurdles. Receiving the eBOSS Seal of Compliance last August 22, 2024 was a milestone for New Lucena. This recognition affirms our dedication to streamlining services and ensuring transparency in governance. More importantly, it reflects our unwavering commitment to continuously improve the delivery of services to our constituents. The eBOSS Seal signifies that our municipality adheres to the highest standards in business processing, fostering an environment of trust and reliability for investors and local enterprises. It is a testament to our efforts in making government services more accessible and more responsive to the needs of the people.